Hello, dear viewers. Today we bring you a groundbreaking discovery from the world of science. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers from the University of Copenhagen have become the first to witness the formation of three of the earliest galaxies in the universe. These galaxies formed over 13 billion years ago, and this incredible discovery has been published in the journal Science. For the first time in the history of astronomy, researchers at the Niels Bohr Institute have witnessed the birth of the universe's earliest galaxies, which formed between 13.3 and 13.4 billion years ago. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we can now observe these galaxies in their formative stages. The researchers saw large amounts of gas accumulating and accreting onto a mini-galaxy, marking the actual construction of a galaxy. While theories and computer simulations have predicted this process, it had never been directly observed before. Assistant Professor Casper Elm-Heinz from the Niels Bohr Institute, who led the study, said, "You could say that these are the first direct images of galaxy formation we've ever seen. While James Webb has previously shown us early galaxies at later stages of evolution, here we witness their very birth and the construction of the first star systems in the universe. The researchers estimate that the birth of these three galaxies occurred roughly 600 million years after the Big Bang, which sounds like a long time, but actually corresponds to the first 3 to 4% of the universe's 13.8 billion year lifespan. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe was a vast, opaque cloud of hydrogen atoms, very different from today's star-filled night sky. Associate Professor Darach Watson explains, "During the few hundred million years after the Big Bang, the first stars formed, and then stars and gas began to coalesce into galaxies. This is the process we see the beginning of in our observations. The birth of galaxies took place during a period known as the Epoch of Reionization, when the energy and light from some of the first galaxies broke through the hydrogen gas. The researchers captured these large amounts of hydrogen gas using the infrared vision of the James Webb Space Telescope. This is the most distant measurement of cold, neutral hydrogen gas, the building block of stars and galaxies, observed by scientists to date. The study was conducted by Casper Elm-Heinz in close collaboration with colleagues Darach Watson, Gabriel Brammer, and PhD student Simone Veilgaard from the Cosmic Dawn Center at the University of Copenhagen's Niels Bohr Institute, a center dedicated to investigating and understanding the dawn of the universe. This latest result brings them much closer to achieving that goal. The research team has already applied for more observation time with the James Webb Space Telescope, hoping to expand on their new findings and learn more about the earliest epoch of galaxy formation. Simone Veilgaard says, "For now, we are focused on mapping our new observations of galaxies being formed in even greater detail than before. At the same time, we are constantly trying to push the limit of how far into the universe we can see, so perhaps we'll reach even further." According to the researchers, this new knowledge contributes to answering one of humanity's most fundamental questions: where do we come from? By shedding light on the moment some of the universe's first structures were created, we are piecing together a bit more of the answer. It's a process we will continue to investigate until, hopefully, we can fit even more pieces of the puzzle together, concludes Associate Professor Gabriel Brammer. This fascinating research was conducted by a team including Casper E. Heinz, Darach Watson, Gabriel Brammer, Simone Veilgaard, Ann Hutter, Victoria B. Straight, Jorrit Matthey, Pascal A. Oesch, Paul Jacobson, Niall R. Tanvir, Peter Lorson, Rohan P. Naidu, Charlotte A. Mason, Meghana Kili, Intai Jung, Tiger Yu Yang Xiao, Abduro Uf, Dan Ko, Pablo Arabal Haro, Stephen L. Finkelstein, and Suna Toft. Yes, dear viewers, we leave you with this exciting news from the world of science and space. See you in future discoveries, and until then, take care.